What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sheba Renee, and thank y'all for tuning in. Today I'm doing a deep conditioning session with all natural ingredients. It's a DIY treat that I like to do twice a week for nourishment and moisture for my hair, and it's been promoting my hair growth. Every now and then I do switch up the ingredients, and today this avocado oil has just been doing its thing, and I love it. So if you're a newcomer, go on and tap that subscribe button. I am on my natural curls journey for healthy hair. And don't forget that notification bell so you will be informed for my future uploads. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.